We are on our way to the farmer's market. Say hi. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see. Over here about to start editing some videos. Hey y'all, I think I found somewhere where I could place y'all while y'all in my car or on our way to go hang out with my old boss, aka friend, aka birthday twins, because we both our birthdays are in March. It's the 5th and hers is the 10th, I think it's the 10th or the 11th. I'm bad with remembering birthdays, y'all. But her husband is DJing, so we are going over on that side to see what's going on. I did post a video. I think this is a good spot for y'all. Let's see. You found it? You say hi, Jemiah.
Who?
It says YouTube.
Oh, hi.
So let's see if I can put y'all up here. You got the key?
What is that?
What?
My mouth.
I don't know what's in your mouth.
No, I'm saying like it smells citrusy. It's coming in my mouth. Like how we taste perfume.
Alright, let me turn the camera off till we get on the road.
Treat it like a person. I look good.
And we on our way. We should be there in maybe like another 30 minutes. It's a little traffic. So, let me pay attention because I feel like y'all gonna fall. And if y'all fall, then my lens is gonna break, and then I'm gonna be sad and start crying. So I'll see you when we get there. We didn't come dressed up, y'all. That's okay, we didn't come dressed up. But I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see. It's so pretty over here. I have on my Timberland boots, my Walmart jeans, and where did I get this from? My Walmart shirt. This is where we're going. Let's go see the cute stores. Cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Does it look like a Barbie? I'm trying to be Barbie.
Yes, Barbie and Pink. Yes. They have candles. Oh, they got the Buff soap, Epsom salt. I like this one better than the one by us. They remind you of Lush. How much is this? Oh, the soap is only $8. Well, I got sensitive skin. Smell good.
Yeah, so you can sample at any fragrance.
Oh, okay, so if I wanted to have my detergent smell like that, you can. Oh, and how much is that?
It'll be for the regular, it's $19.
Okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's the ones that make the detergent. Oh, yeah, the pumpkin detergent. Oh, yeah. Maybe she was in love with him or something.
Hey! What the hell is that contraption?
My head. What?
No, this. What is all
That's
this?
my vomit.
Hi, baby.
Look at you, Daddy.
You know I always be making fun of her. Right, and that's exactly what you look like, too. Hey, y'all.
Yeah, you on my YouTube.
Oh, no. Say hey, y'all.
Say hey, y'all. Like, comment,
What
and
is it?
share.
Post, like, and share.
Yes. Thank you.
It's good. It is. The apple's good. Oh, it's kind of hard. I guess you can enjoy it. I left my, is that on our car? I left my cell phone. There go my car right there. That's my baby. That's my baby. Where's my cell phone?